We have to think of how to feed the growing population on the one hand, enough of food. Fortunately, we have a Food Security Act which makes it a legal obligation on the part of the Government of India to provide food for a very large section of the population who cannot afford to buy the food themselves, who have not the capacity. We have to ensure that the calorie needs of people are met. We have to ensure that the protein requirements are met. And finally, as I said earlier, how do we meet the needs of micronutrients like iron, and zinc, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and so on. Then hunger can be met by our producing a large number of biofortified plants. For example, moringa, the ordinary moringa, sweet potato, and many of the amla, many of the crops, a whole set of vegetable, horticultural crops and fruits have enough nutrients. How do we take advantage of them? How do we put up all the three forms of hunger? Protein hunger can be overcome both by consumption of pulses, increased consumption of pulses, as well as by eggs and fish, and those will take meat and so on. What is important now today is not to lose further time in improving the quality of food. Quality is also influenced by safety, aspergillus infection, various microorganisms. We have to ensure that we don't have problems of aflatoxins in food, mycotoxins, very common in peanut or groundnut. Aflatoxins develop and they can do a lot of harm. From what I have said so far, it will be clear that this area has to receive integrated attention, not isolated attention, but integrated attention in terms of looking at the problem of production, looking at the problems of consumption, and the problems of assimilation of the food, which depends upon clean drinking water, sanitation, and other requirements.